In this video, I'll show you how to make the simple pizza to the social media post. I'll show you step by step in this video. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file and taking new artboard, which is 2000 pixel and 300 pixel per inch, and hit the create button. And after that, going to the file and going to the place embed options. So I have stock image which is like this, and make this one bigger and hit the tick button. So deleting the background, providing the name BG, right press and rasterize the layer. And after that, going to the file and going to the place embed options. From here, I'll import the pizza image. I downloaded this one from the freepik.com and I'll provide you the download link in my video description. Hit the tick button. And after that, going to the object selection tool and select the pizza. Fine. And after that, going to the select and mask options for the refining and smoothness. So smoothness 38% and edge shifting -27. Going to the downside and drop down menu, new layer with the layer mask and hit OK. And after that, deleting this and right press apply layer mask, providing the name pizza. That's good. And now press Ctrl Command T and make this one rotation, or you can rotate the pizza like this. And now time to reposition the pizza according to the road and everything. So hit the tick button. After that, right press and then going to the blending options. From here, drop shadow, this sort of drop shadow, and drop shadow settings is 34 for the distance and 8 for the spread and 16 for the size, 54% of the angle and 74% opacity, blending mode, the multiply and hit OK. Now double press this one, add another shadow which is the little bit of opposite of this. So over there I'm using 36% of the opacity, multiply blending mode, 26 distance and spread 8 and 16 size, and then hit the OK button. And now taking a blank layer, I'll provide the shadow and something. So here I'll add some shadow, and for that, going to the gradient tool, the basic gradient is black and the transparent. That's fine. Before that, you have to reset this one foreground or background color and make this one a little bit of like this. So masking this one, down the opacity a little bit, press Ctrl or Command T. If you need, you can increase the value. That's fine. And now this pizza I'll select and then going to the filter and camera filter. From here, adding some brightness, adding some contrast, shadow a little bit, highlight a little bit of down, and then from the color options adding some saturation and hit OK. So the more visibility will increase of the pizza, like separate from the background. That's fine. And now again going to the gradient options. From here I'll choose this gradient and make the gradient into the radial and make it reverse, and the scale will be like this. So what is making this type of difference? This sort of difference is making by the using of this shadow, making the name or renaming the layer shadow. That's fine. Selecting these two image and making this group, renaming this BG. That's fine. And this pizza I'm making group pizza. That's fine. Providing color like green, and this should be orange. That's fine. Now going to the file again, place embed options and adding some like clouds like that. This sort of cloud is good, so I'm using this cloud. Okay, adding the cloud in this portion, right press and rasterize the layer, providing the name cloud. And again going to the file and going to the place embed options, adding sort of different types of cloud like this. That's fine. Press Ctrl Command J, press Ctrl Command T, right press and flip horizontal, and adding a little bit of cloud over there. So that's good, and providing like that. That's fine. And now these BG, I'll have to make this one little bit of dark tone because of I want to make the prominent of my product, which is pizza. That's why I'm selecting this, going to the filter and going to the camera filter again, and making the exposure a little bit of down, not too much. And after that going to the color mixture, providing the luminance of the green up, and red and yellow should be like that, so like this, and hit OK. That's fine. Now I'll use a color lookup from the color lookup palette, and which is the horror blue, and after that fill color should be 34% and the opacity should be 46%. That's good. And this pizza background should be like this. That's fine. And this photo should be going to a little bit of the right side. That's fine. That's good. And pizza should be middle of this. Now it makes sense, and the positioning, everything is perfectly match with this. So a little bit of rotation we can make. That's good. And now just collapsing those group and making this one rasterize of the layer cloud. That's good. Making this one in a group element. That's fine. In this element group, I'm going to the file and going to the place embed options, adding some flying leaves and everything. That's good. And right press, rasterize the layer leaf. So going to the place embed options, adding the helicopter, rotate this one like that. Okay, and placing over there, and right press, rasterize the layer, chopper, and after that going to the filter and going to the camera filter, adding some lights and everything. That's good, and hit OK. Right press and going to the blending options, from here adding some drop shadow, this sort of drop shadow, and hit OK. That's fine. And now time to place the logo and everything. So right press and providing another color like magenta. That's fine. Going to the file and going to the place embed options, adding the pizza logo, and after that object selection tool, selecting the pizza logo only, Ctrl Command J for making another copy of this layer, Ctrl Command T for the transform, and placing over there. That's good, and hit the tick button, and we'll write down something over there. So we written over the pizza anywhere, so copying this one and pasting over there, Ctrl Command T and placing over there. So in this text I'm using two font. I'll provide you the font download link in my video description, so please check it out. Making those things in a group, logo and text, renaming the group, right press and providing the blue color, and press Ctrl Command A, making this one middle of the artboard, which is really necessary, and Ctrl Command S for saving this one tutorial. That's fine. And now saving this out into the JPEG version, going to the file and going to the save copy as options, and saving this one into JPEG, same name, and saving this one JPEG, and hit OK. So you are getting ready the pizza, actually not pizza, the social media post for your client. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.